Finding the best digital multimeter for mechanics can make troubleshooting and diagnostics much easier. With accurate readings, durable construction, and versatile functions, these tools are designed to handle demanding automotive tasks while ensuring reliability and efficiency in every repair job. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Fluke 15B Plus Digital Multimeter. The Fluke 15B Plus digital multimeter is a reliable and professional-grade tool built to meet the needs of both beginners and experienced electricians. It carries a Cat 3 600V safety rating, which makes it perfectly suitable for residential and commercial electrical systems, ensuring a high level of safety while testing and diagnosing. One of the most impressive features of the Fluke 15B Plus is its ability to handle AC and DC voltage measurement up to 1000 V. This wide range makes it useful for diverse applications, from automotive diagnostics to electrical panels and commercial equipment. It also supports AC-DC current measurement up to 10A, which allows you to troubleshoot overloads, faulty wiring, and short circuits effectively. The multimeter includes key functions like voltage, resistance, continuity, and capacitance measurement, giving users a comprehensive tool for day-to-day electrical tasks. Number 2. Klein Digital Multimeter. The Klein Digital Multimeter is a feature-rich and durable device designed for professionals who demand versatility and accuracy in their tools. Offering measurements of AC-DC voltage up to 1000 V, AC-DC current up to 10A, and resistance up to 60 ohm, it covers all the essential ranges required for electrical troubleshooting. What sets this multimeter apart is its additional functions like continuity, temperature, capacitance, frequency/duty cycle, diode testing, and a low-impedance low-Z mode. The low-Z mode is especially useful for detecting and eliminating ghost or stray voltages, ensuring that readings are both accurate and trustworthy. The auto-ranging with true RMS technology guarantees precise results even in non-linear load environments, making it suitable for residential, automotive, and industrial use. Klein enhances usability with a reverse contrast LCD display, which is highly visible in all lighting conditions, and a built-in kickstand and test lead holders that make hands-free operation possible. It is also compatible with an optional magnetic hanger for added convenience. Durability is another strong point, as it is Cat 4 600V and IP42 rated and designed to withstand drops from up to 6.6 feet. Number 3. Milwaukee Digital Multimeter. The Milwaukee Digital Multimeter stands out as a dependable tool designed with simplicity, durability, and functionality in mind. Known for producing rugged tools, Milwaukee has crafted this multimeter to be easy to use, ensuring that both professionals and DIY users can operate it without complications. One of its key highlights is its true RMS technology, which delivers precise readings regardless of the complexity of the electrical load. This ensures accuracy when working with modern electronics or irregular current signals, a must-have feature for professionals. The device supports a wide voltage measurement range of up to 600 V AC-DC, making it versatile enough for household, commercial, and light industrial use. It also includes an auto-ranging function, which allows the meter to adjust automatically to the correct range, saving time and minimizing errors. Another standout feature is its low-Z measurement mode, which effectively eliminates ghost voltage readings, ensuring that test results reflect actual working conditions. The high-contrast white-on-black display improves visibility in different environments, whether working indoors with bright lighting or in dimly lit areas. While the Milwaukee multimeter does not boast as many advanced functions as some competitors, its focus on reliability, ease of use, and durable construction makes it an excellent choice for those who need a straightforward and trustworthy multimeter. It is durable enough to withstand tough job sites and compact enough to carry easily. Number 4. Jonard Digital Multimeter. The Jonard Digital Multimeter is a compact and versatile tool designed to simplify electrical testing with modern convenience. One of its standout features is the Smart Auto function, which automatically selects the optimal range and measurement function based on the test lead input. This makes it exceptionally beginner-friendly while also saving professionals time during repetitive testing. The device offers 9 essential testing functions, including AC/DC voltage, resistance, continuity, frequency, capacitance, diode testing, non-contact voltage (NCV), and live wire detection. With such comprehensive features, users can handle a wide range of troubleshooting tasks in one tool. The Jonard multimeter is ETL certified for safety and rated Cat 3 600V, which provides assurance when working with residential and commercial electrical systems. Visibility is enhanced with a bright digital screen, ensuring readability in both low light and high glare conditions. The design also emphasizes portability with its lightweight, compact construction and grooved housing, making it easy to carry to job sites or testing locations. While it is not as heavy-duty as some high-end professional multimeters, its practicality and feature set make it an excellent value, especially for users who want convenience without compromising accuracy. The inclusion of NCV and live wire detection adds an extra layer of safety and utility for quick checks. Overall, the Jonard digital multimeter is a well-balanced tool that blends modern auto functionality with essential features in a compact design. Number 5. MESTEK Digital Multimeter. The MESTEK Digital Multimeter is a highly capable and advanced tool designed to meet the needs of both professional electricians and serious DIY users. Unlike standard multimeters, this unit doubles as a true RMS 1000A AC/DC clamp meter, giving it the ability to measure not only voltage and resistance, but also very high current levels with accuracy. It offers a wide array of functions, including AC/DC current and voltage, resistance, frequency, capacitance, diode and continuity testing, as well as temperature measurement. Its true RMS capability ensures precise results even when working with non-linear loads, making it ideal for industrial or automotive systems. The inclusion of low Z and VFD modes enhances accuracy by preventing ghost voltage errors and ensuring reliable readings when working with variable frequency drives, motors, and transformers. For high current scenarios, the inrush current measurement function is particularly valuable, as it captures peak startup currents up to 1000 A. The MESTEK also comes with NCV detection and an LED flashlight, improving usability in dim environments, while its backlit LCD screen with larger text makes readings clear and easy to see. Additional practical features include auto power off, low battery indication, data hold, max-min recording, and zero functions. It even warns users with a red backlight when high voltage is detected, further prioritizing safety. The package is comprehensive, including test leads, a thermocouple, screwdriver, hard case, batteries, and a detailed manual. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.